What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Abby if you are new. If you are new, I would love it if you go down below, click that subscribe button and that bell button so you'll never miss when I post a new video, because all we got is good hair and good content over here, sis, okay? Today's video is focused on my refresh or retouch process with my knotless braids. This is perfect for me, especially when I'm not ready to get rid of the hairstyle, but I am ready to look a little brand new in the front. So I'm going to be taking you guys through that entire process. So if you're interested in seeing what that process looks like, then keep on watching. The first step in my process is to prepare the hair. So I have these 2 packs of Expressions pre-stretched hair. One pack is a number 27 and 30 mixture, and the second pack is a number 30. Now these 2 colors pretty much give me the color of my hair that I have right now. I have this like blonde copperish look going on, so I just take those 2 colors and I mix them together by stacking them, separating, and repeating that process. Then I'm gonna go ahead and start preparing my hair. Now, preparation is key in my entire process of doing these knotless braids, whether I'm refreshing or starting brand new. I have this thread rack that I bought from Walmart forever ago. I think it was like $5 to $10. I'll link it in the description box for you guys who want to purchase it. But pretty much I go about preparing my hair in this way. I like to stack it up, and preparation really expedites the entire process for me to effectively do my hair in a timely manner, especially because your girl's arms be hurting, okay? And then I'm gonna go ahead and pick out those braids that I want to refresh. Now, I didn't intend on having this hairstyle in for no longer than another 2 extra weeks. So I'm only doing about 10 to 12 braids in the front. And my removal process is just very simple. I cut the hair a little below where my hair stops, and then I start removing those braids. And I'm being very gentle because the key to protective styling is to understand that although it is a protective style, your hair is still undergoing a lot of manipulation in the process of putting these braids in, so your strands might be a little sensitive. So I like to be very gentle. Then I head over to the bathroom because it's time to clean my hair. Now, the easier way to do this is obviously to hop into the shower if you wanted to and just wash your hair. But for me, because I had a lot of things going on and I'm recording a video for you guys, I like to use a spray bottle to wet my hair and then going in with the shampoo to cleanse my hair. Now, I like using a clarifying shampoo when cleaning my hair after a protective style or in between a protective style, because I'm trying to get rid of a ton of buildup that I probably already have. And I just want to make sure that I'm really starting from a fresh state for my hair. After shampooing, rinsing, I'm going to go in with my conditioner. And as you can tell, I'm being super gentle. I'm using my flexi brush to detangle my hair, and I'm going in very softly, making sure I'm not pulling too much of my hair strands to manipulate my hair even more. And then the blow dry process starts. So I'm using the Garnier Fructis blow dry cream, and then I'm following up with the Tresemme Heat Tamer spray. These 2 products have worked really well for me. I picked them up at my local Walgreens, and I follow up with this Andis blow dryer. First of all, let me tell you guys, this blow dryer is amazing. My best friend bought it for me because she didn't want to use my regular blow dryer and a brush, and she told me that this is going to be a life changer, and best believe she was right, because this thing helps me blow dry my hair in so little time. I finished blow drying the first section of my hair, like these 2 sections that you all are seeing me do, in less than 10 minutes, which is world record, okay? Now, like I mentioned, preparation is key. So when I'm going in to prepare my hair to get it braided, the first thing that I'm gonna do is part my hair. Now, as always, if you all have been following me for some time, I like using the Shine and Jam yellow container. This helps my hair just stay really organized and helps me part my hair really well. So I'm gonna go in and separate my hair in the middle into 2 sections, and then I'm gonna create different rows in those sections. So this time around, I went with fairly smaller braids in the front, just because I wanted to have smaller braids and make it look a little bit fuller in the front. So I did 1 on the first row, 2 sections in the second row, 3 in the third, and then 4 in the fourth row. This preparation helps me move a lot faster because after separating my hair into its parts, I just have to go in and braid every part. Now, the entire process for me to refresh my hair was about 3 hours total. This includes preparation, removal, washing, conditioning, blow drying, and actually braiding. This video is not intended to be a tutorial on how to complete your knotless braids. I just want to make that clear. This is just my process, but if you are interested in knowing how to do knotless braids on your own, I do have a video dedicated to that you can check out in the description box below or in the iCard above. I break down the entire process of how I go about braiding my hair, and then I have another video dedicated to how I part my hair, so if you want to check that out too, it's super, super helpful. Because this is a refresh, I like to curl the ends just so it can look a little bit more boho. And because I've been rocking the straight look for a while already, I like to change it up. So I'm taking these flexi rods and I'm curling about 4 to 5 braids at a time and placing them on the flexi rod, and then I'm gonna dip them into hot water. If you didn't know about this process of curling your hair, it's a game changer because it really makes you look completely different, and it allows you to have different looks with your knotless braids. So just take some flexi rods, curl them things up, dip them in hot water, let them dry for a little bit. And when you remove them, your hair is going to look so good. Once my hair is dipped and almost dry, it's like still damp at this point, I go ahead and remove those flexi rods. And I just love how my hair looks at this point. It really gives you a different feel. I was able to wear my hair in so many different ways with these curls at the end, and I just felt different than having it straight. And then my last step is to moisturize my scalp. I'm using my Buttergrow Hair Growth Oil. I love this thing. I've been using it the entire time of having these braids in, and you see that growth, okay? My hair has been flourishing. It feels great. My scalp is moisturized. Then I follow up with a mousse. In this specific case, I'm using the dough, and this pretty much helps me tame my curls underneath those braids, and it helps my hair just behave while it's being protected. After I apply this mousse, I'm pretty much done with this entire process, and I'm obviously in love with my hair because who doesn't love a refreshed look after having some braids in for some time? Curls is popping, my scalp is refreshed, my hair feels brand new, and I feel super good. Thank you so much for watching, and of course, I will see you guys in my next video.